AutoPan automatically moves sound left and right in our stereo field, so it sounds like it's moving between the speakers. That stereo movement adds interest to the listener and to our ears. So I'm going to go to my effects, type in AutoPan, and drag that onto my hi-hat track. Let's listen without. And with. We can alter the rate and the depth that it's going to be applying that effect. So a nice fast rate with a little bit lighter on the depth is going to make the rest of the track sound really interesting. Let's hear it back with the track.